Are you thinking about moving overseas before the end of the year? August is the month to start getting organized. An international move is not just packing boxes and choosing a moving date. You may need to decide what goes with you, what stays behind, whether your shipment should move by sea freight or air freight, and what documents may be needed for customs at your destination. That can feel overwhelming, especially when you are also planning housing, travel, schools, work, or retirement in another country. A good first step is to make 3 simple lists. First, what do you need right away when you arrive? Second, what can travel by sea with your main household shipment? And third, what should be sold, donated, stored, or left behind? For example, a family moving from California to the United Kingdom may send most of their household goods by sea freight, while sending a smaller air shipment with essential items they need sooner. That kind of planning helps you avoid rushed decisions later. August is also a smart time to review packing needs, customs requirements, insurance options, storage needs, and your destination delivery details. The earlier you start, the easier it is to build the right moving plan for your home, your timeline, and your destination. SDC, International Shipping, helps individuals and families plan door-to-door international moves from anywhere in the United States. If you are preparing for an overseas move, call SDC International Shipping at 877-339-0267 or visit SDC International Shipping online at sdcinternationalshipping.com. That is sdcinternationalshipping.com.